So I've got a new one for you guys. Customer brought in his computer, said it was super slow to boot. Once it boots, it seems fine. So I took his SSD out here. This is the second drive. Now this one is failing, which doesn't matter. This has some documents on it. I was able to copy them off, and we're just not going to use it anymore. His SSD, though, when I boot it up, doesn't matter if I took it out of his computer to eliminate that it's a hardware problem with his computer. I put it in my own computer and booted, and it still takes about 20 minutes to boot up. A full 20 minutes. Just sitting there on the loading screen with the circle, and then it loads up. Once it's loaded, everything works perfect. I've gone through it. They don't want to do a fresh install because they have their POS software and stuff that you need to call them to have it reactivated and all that. It's just a hassle. So if we can, we'd like to fix this one. I've tried cloning it to another SSD to make sure the SSD was fine. It's fine. I have a backup, so I can mess with this one all I want now. I've done the SFC scans. It says no issues. I've done the disk check. No issues. Everything seems fine, but something's wrong with the files. The startup, there's 1 or 2 programs opening. That's nothing special. But once it's ready, it's great. But the boot up takes 20 minutes, and I can't figure out why without doing a fresh install, which is what they don't want to do. So if you've got any ideas, let me know. I've pretty much run CC cleaner, everything to check temp files. They're all clean, and still it takes 20 minutes to boot no matter what we do. Any ideas? So I just went ahead and booted it up. So it's going to take about 20 minutes, so I'll come back once this loading screen's done and show you how it runs once it's booted. And Windows is fully up to date as well. I went in and checked if there's any new updates, installed them all, same thing, that didn't change anything. And so here we are, finally. 20 minutes later, booted up. Nothing's bottlenecked or maxed out. Startup, we only got 4 programs set to start up. And it's just these ones. Yeah, nothing special running in the background. So system runs fine, just the initial boot up's like 30 minutes. And don't know why. What are your suggestions?